NCL just made 7 major changes in 2026. Some of them are going to hurt your wallet. Let's talk about it. First, we're going to talk about dining. So the main dining room, it used to be all-inclusive, used to have whatever you wanted off the menu. Now, if you want an extra 2, 3, or 4 entrees or try different things, it's going to cost you $5 every time you try a new entree. That is huge, and it kind of goes against the freestyle cruising of NCL. So if you're a big eater or you want to try different options, you might want to put this into your budget because it's going to cost you. If you're new here, hit subscribe, like the video. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. The next thing we're going to talk about is room service. This used to be complimentary. It's not anymore. It's going to charge you $4.95 per time that you get room service. So if you're like myself and you love your morning coffee on the balcony, it's my favorite part of cruising. Let me know in the comments if it's yours as well. I'm going to have to pay an extra $5 a day now to get my morning coffee, which is fine. I don't begrudge that, but this is something you have to be aware of and have to allot for in your budget. If you're not lazy like myself, you can just run up to the buffet, grab your coffee, come back and drink it, but I'm still going to order room service. Change number 3 really is catching people off guard. It's a no-show fee. So apparently people weren't showing up at their reserved dining times for specialty restaurants. Do you not know how hard these reservations are to get? So what NCL has done, so if you don't show up to your reservation, you're going to be hit with a $10 per person charge on your onboard account for not showing up. Guys, all you need to do is cancel your reservation. Just cancel your reservation if you're not going to make it and you won't be charged. It's as easy as that. And then someone else that wants to go to that restaurant can have that dining time. Then change number 4. Oh boy, this is going to lead into the next one too, so stay tuned. NCL has added Free at Sea Plus. That's right, Free at Sea Plus. So what this means is for an extra $49.99 per day per person in US dollars, or if you're Canadian like myself, it's $69.99 per person per day, you will get Free at Sea Plus. Yes, you're still going to have the regular Free at Sea option. Now, my opinion is Free at Sea Plus is better. Here's why. You're going to be charged more upfront, sure, but what you're going to get with that, 3 important things you're going to get. Listen up. Unlimited Wi-Fi. This is huge. Who only uses 150 minutes of Wi-Fi in a week? Nobody. So unlimited Wi-Fi is great. Bottled water. If you're a water yuppie like myself, I don't like drinking tap water. I don't care if it's filtered or not. Bottled water is huge. Starbucks. Who doesn't love Starbucks? It is included in the package for the Free at Sea Plus. Otherwise, you have to pay every time you get a Starbucks coffee. I'm going to be sailing with Free at Sea Plus. I love it. I think it's great value. And also, I think it's the best perk package in mainstream cruising. Okay, now let's get to the juicy gossip. The reversal. So, NCL, when they introduced this new beverage program, the Free at Sea Plus, they were going to make you upgrade to this package in order for your beverage package to work at their private island of Great Stirrup Cay. That did not go over well. So much outrage was found on social media. It was everywhere. It was all over the place. So the passengers won. NCL reversed the decision. You no longer need to upgrade to the Free at Sea Plus package, even though I feel like it's really good value. You can have your beverages work at the private island with the regular Free at Sea package. They listened, they changed it, they heard us. Hallelujah. I think this was truly a really smart marketing move on NCL's part. You can't have that many people upset and all over the internet. It's not good publicity. Here's a change I really like. As of April, you no longer have to pre-book your main theater shows. Previously, you had to book your shows before you even got on the ship. So by the time you got on the ship, all the good shows were sold out if you forgot to make your pre-bookings. This is a great change. So now you get on the ship, you show up at the show you want to see, and you go and watch it. There's no more stress about trying to pre-book everything before you get on the cruise. You don't even know what the cruise is like and you're booking shows. Also, this really goes with the freestyle cruising that NCL so prides themselves on. Now, in saying that, with the shows, they have gotten rid of a lot of the Broadway shows on their ships. They're slowly starting to bring them back on the newer ships. But for now, a lot of them are original shows done on the ship. So keep that in mind. All right, guys, so if you are looking to book a cruise, I am a travel agent. I'll leave my booking link in the description below. Follow me on my Facebook page, The Cruising Nurse Travel on Facebook, and I'll help you book your next cruise. So, is NCL worth traveling in 2026? So for someone that sails on NCL quite often and is also a travel agent, my opinion is yes, but you have to know the changes so you can update your budget and go in with the right expectations. The main dining room, if you want to eat more than what's on the regular menu, it's going to cost you more. Free at Sea Plus, if you want that package, it's going to cost you more, but you're going to get more value. And the private island, you are going to be able to use your beverage package regardless of which package you choose. But in saying all this, it really is good to know that NCL does listen to its customers and they will change things to make people happy. So that's all I wanted to talk about today, guys. I really hope it was informative. Let me know in the comments, what is your least favorite change of 2026 made by NCL? I'm Ashley Neal. I'll see you guys next time.